Let me tell you something, I am super stoked about today's video. Why is it, you ask? Well, look what I got in my hands. This is the brand new Dewalt PowerStack Battery. Why am I so excited about this? Because I didn't think I was going to be able to do a video like this for like another 3 or 4 months, but we got it right now. That's real NASDAQ. If you are a subscriber to this channel, which I'm sure you are, you would know that we went to the Dewalt live event in Baltimore, Maryland, where they unveiled these things. We got to see them doing some side-by-side tests, but this is real world now, baby. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about why the Dewalt PowerStack is a game changer, not only for Dewalt, but many other tool brands. What the difference is between this battery and your regular 20-volt Dewalt batteries, and if it's worth the upgrade. Yeah, we're gonna use and abuse. So sit back, get relaxed, hit the subscribe button and bell notification, and let's get this video going. Come on. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this bad boy mofo. This is Dewalt's most powerful compact battery on the market today, or so they claim. So let me try to explain to you why exactly this thing is going to be more powerful. You see, in your conventional 20 volt or 18 volt batteries, you have a bunch of other little batteries that look like, well, double A's, and they have different sizes of the cells. However, when you stack them up on each other, you sort of get this diamond shape, and it's a waste of space inside the battery casing, but that's not the case with these new batteries. So instead of having a bunch of different cells that look like double A's in the battery, and it's gonna leave that weird diamond shape in there, you're gonna have more of a battery that represents a cell phone battery where they're able to stack them on top of each other. Now, before we start using and abusing the slicing and the dicing with this battery, let me state one thing. I've been getting a lot of comments on my page with earlier videos about these, about the hazards and the dangers of these. Let me throw in my own opinion here. For the people worrying about these things catching on fire like the cell phones used to do, I don't know, 10 freaking years ago, I think they pretty much got that problem solved. See, Dewalt's been around for a little while, and I'm sure they've done test after test after test on these batteries to make sure that they are safe. But I will say, do what you want to do. Me personally, I'm not going to be scared of them. I don't have any issue to be scared of them, and I trust Dewalt. I mean, I've been using Samsung for the last, like 10 years, and I haven't had any phones blow up on me. I don't know. Oh wait, one more comparison, the size difference. 25% more compact. You can see the size difference between the PowerStack and the regular 20 volt. Also 25% lighter. Oh yeah, push that button right there. Well, your lights will stay on. All right, so let's take a look at what we got here. All right, so we got the new PowerStack battery. Now there are no markings on this, and from what I'm hearing, it's a 1.7 AH battery. It's weird, I don't know. We also got your standard 2 amp hour battery, 20 volt from Dewalt. We got the Dewalt 791 drill. We got the 565 circular saw, 1-inch spade bit, and a 3/4 inch auger bit. We also have 2 2x4s. They cost me $5,300 a piece. Hold up, look at the size difference on this. You got this sticking out on the side, and then the PowerStack actually goes in. It's crazy. All right, so myself on the right-hand side will be using the PowerStack battery, and myself on the left-hand side will be using the 2 amp hour regular 20 volt battery. 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Stopped. Stopped. Definitely noticing more power on that PowerStack, but let's do maybe 3 in a row and see what happens. We're gonna race them. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, you've seen it. I was pushing the exact same amount through the entire thing. Definitely way more power with the PowerStack Dewalt battery than your conventional 20 volt. I mean, way more. So right now we got the 3/4 inch bit. We're gonna go on the right side, the 20 volt regular max battery, and then we're gonna go 4 holes as fast as we can on setting high. And then we're gonna go on the left side with the PowerStack. We're gonna race each other. Count of 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, 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 holy crap. That's on high. What? All right, let's go to low. You know, I know low does pretty good, but you would have thought high would have done something. All right, we're gonna keep it on low, I guess. Now the reason I went on the high setting instead of the low setting, which I would usually use, is because I wanted to show you the power difference. Even though the PowerStack kind of bogged down a little bit, maybe once or twice, I could not even get through an entire hole with the regular 20 volt. That's impressive. Real nice like, actually. I do want to let you know, however, on the lower setting, I didn't have an issue drilling down through those 2x4s with either battery. They went through pretty much perfectly. But the high setting, you can clearly see the PowerStack is dominating the regular 20 volt. I will also say one other thing. The one I'm feeling the heat on is actually the 20 volt, not the PowerStack. The PowerStack is actually very cool, but I can feel the heat on the actual 20 volt, which is weird. We're gonna point out one more thing. We've been using the exact same batteries, doing the exact same thing on the 20 volt, and I just noticed this. Where you at? We got 2 bars. We got 2 bars. On the PowerStack, we got 3. So right now we're using the circular saw with the same batteries we have been using. On the left, we're gonna do the PowerStack, and on the right, we're gonna do the 20 volt. Actually, you know what? Let's do it the other way. PowerStack on this side now, and 20 volt on the other side. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go. With the 20 volt standard battery, there was a huge loss of power on this saw. I even had it stop once. Every single time I pushed down through that saw, and yes, I was pushing on both of them. Actually, I was pushing harder on the PowerStack, and it was actually, there was no power loss. It's insanity. The 20 volt, if I were to push any more, it would have stalled out every single time. You could feel that, just that sag in that battery. And because it's a smaller battery, right, on that Dewalt saw, but you could feel the sag where on this freaking PowerStack battery, I am telling you now, there was no loss of power. There was no sagging at all. This is a small battery. This is smaller than that battery. And this was competing with something that I would say along the lines of a 6AH. Listen, take my word for it or not. That's up to you. These batteries are going to change the game. I think there's a lot of competitors out there that are scrambling right now and might be in trouble when it comes to all-out power. Let me tell you this, the live stream that we did from the Dewalt event, I was pretty impressed with it, but you know, you have Dewalt people or representatives running their tools. I got this here in the shop. I am a true believer. This thing is a monster, and I can't even imagine what's going to happen when they come out with larger batteries of the PowerStack. It is going to be insane. You know what you get, Dewalt. Golf clap. I think, honestly, the only thing that's competing with this right now is the 3.0 high output battery from Milwaukee IA, but we're going to put them to the test. We're going to go up against the PowerStack versus the Milwaukee batteries and the tools and see what they can do. But I'm telling you, this thing is freaking insane. I can't wait for you to try them because I can't wait for you to tell me I was right. Now, if you want to see the upcoming videos with the PowerStack from Dewalt going up against the Milwaukees and the Makitas, get subscribed, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on those videos. It's gonna be real nice like. And if you're excited about these batteries and this video has helped you in any sort of way, if it kept you interested in any single way, give you information in any single way, don't forget to smash that like button. We appreciate it. I always appreciate you stopping by. With that, we'll be back with more videos soon.